Hey guys, sr20 here. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys what I've been doing for the last month, as well as my new website. Let's get into it. I finally launched the sr20 clothing website. There are t-shirts, long sleeves, hoodies, and champion rain jackets. There are multiple colors and sizes available. There has been stock delays on some of the products, but you should get in about 2 to 4 weeks. You can also check my latest YouTube video from the website, and I will be editing a new product and design soon. I can't wait to show you guys how everything looks when I get my samples in. As you know, I bought an sr20 engine from Nathan a few weeks ago. So I thought I should make it clean so it's ready for the swap. And this is how it looks like. The next things I've been working on is cleaning up the subframe. What is subframe? A subframe is the structure below the frame that supports axle, suspension, and powertrain, aka K-frame. First step, use degreaser to take all the oil and grease. I use a path washer, but if you don't have it, just use a degreaser or brake cleaner to remove rust and greasy stuff. And then wash. Make sure to dry properly. Next step is sandblasting. I use an industrial sandblasting machine to give a smooth surface and take all the rust. I would use sandpaper to make it smoother if I wasn't able to use sandblasting. I left some of the black paint as you can see. That's because the paint was good condition. Last step is painting. I use a spray can to paint it all black. I did 2 layers, but you should work with just a layer if you prefer. Make sure to dry properly. This cover came with subframe, so it's same process as before. Clean, sandblasting, and painting. I use a powder coating this time for fun. Wait a second, what is powder coating? Powder coating is a color finishing technique in which powder is used in lieu of paint. The powder is applied with spray tools and heated to a chosen surface to form a color coat. Numerous ingredients can make the powder used for this process, such as acrylic, polyester, epoxy, and polyurethane. Watch out for my next video where I go to a pick-apart, get the new rear beam axle for my Starlet. Hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out.